Hello and welcome to Nolan School of Motoring. In this video tutorial we will be looking at how to deal with roadworks. On the dual carriageway you can see further ahead a roadwork sign, and after that roadwork sign there's some barriers. The traffic sign you see on the left, the round sign, is in order to keep it to the right. You can also see lots of barriers on the road. This means that you will probably have to move out slightly to your right, making sure you check your right mirror before you do so. As we look further down the road, we can see more roadworks. We can see our traffic sign warning us of the roadworks, and now we can see a traffic sign telling us our lane is closed. So we move out slowly, making sure it's clear. We can see all of our arrow signs telling us to keep to the right, and we can see the coned off area. We're going to check our left mirror and then gently move back in. At our next roadworks we can see the advanced warning sign ahead, and also after that sign we can see the road narrows from the right. You can see the barriers, your arrow sign telling you to keep left. And then we see another set of barriers and another keep left traffic sign. At our next roadworks we have a temporary set of traffic lights. Here you can see the traffic light and the traffic sign telling you to wait until you see a green light. When the light changes to green, just move off as normal. If you look ahead you can see the cones. Just use your road markings, keep to the left of the cones, and then make a right turn as normal. At these roadworks you can see the warning sign telling you there's roadworks ahead. We can see the barriers. We can also see the arrow sign telling us to keep right. And as we move forward we can also see another roadwork sign. More traffic cones. These roadworks will only affect us if we're turning left, and we're just going to carry on straight ahead. As you can see, it's pretty much a common theme approaching roadworks. You can see your advanced warning sign. Then you will see the road narrows, which in this case road narrows from the right. We can see our barriers on the right hand side, and generally you will see a keep left sign as well, as you can see on the island ahead. At our next set of roadworks we can see the advanced warning sign ahead. After this traffic sign you will also notice a ramp sign. This means the road surface has been reduced. As you go over the ramp you can see the vehicle drop. It's always good practice to take your time going over these ramps. Just follow the road ahead as normal. Stop at your traffic lights if necessary, and then just carry on. The roadworks ahead this time are controlled by traffic lights. This is a temporary set of traffic lights. We're going to be making a right turn here. We can see the traffic light is on green, the arrows telling us to keep right, and we just make a right turn. I hope you have found this video useful, and please subscribe for more videos.